The new Series 5 Pro-Drive Fasteners Tipper-De-Tipper is designed to remove as well as install any brand of rubber round and angle mallet caps in a few simple steps. This Tipper-De-Tipper is a patented device that will earn you revenue as well as likely never require any maintenance due to its robust construction and innovative design. Invented by Hollis Henderson Jr., the Tipper-De-Tipper allows for anyone to tip or de-tip any rubber round and angle mallet cap in less than 30 seconds. First, we will demonstrate the de-tipping of a cap from the lighter weight Power Nail 3M1 mallet. Installation or tipping of new replacement caps requires almost zero effort. Now we will showcase the installing and uninstalling of the Pro-Drive Fasteners Premium Gray Cap from the 45-ounce weighted HFM3 mallet. This popular graphite mallet is lighter and directly fits into the De-Tipper assembly, once again making it super simple to then apply Pro-Drive Fasteners or any brand replacement mallet cap to your mallet head. We'll now show how to de-tip a double head mallet as well as install a replacement cap. Insert the Pro Angle adapter device into the tipper cup and install in the same manner as any other replacement cap. Once installed, simply place the cap into position for use. Finally, we'll demonstrate the tipping and de-tipping of the R55 mallet. The Series 5 Pro-Drive Fasteners Tipper-De-Tipper works on all different types of mallet configurations. When your project demands professional results, use Pro-Drive Fasteners branded products. You can always depend on us to provide you with pro-driven industrial products and solutions. Want to know more? Find us at pro-drivefasteners.com.